Eva Freda Damian Mayor. As I relinquish my crown, I express heartfelt gratitude to the SPPA Barreto-1 Elementary School community for this life-changing experience. May our unity and spirit continue to inspire future generations. Farewell, dear friends. It's been an honor serving as your queen. I wish the incoming royalty wisdom, courage, and joy. Thank you for the unforgettable journey. May our school spirit of excellence shine brighter with each passing year. Today, I say goodbye to the chapter that shaped me. Thank you for believing in me and forever grateful. My heart is full. I cherish memories of laughter, growth, and camaraderie. Farewell, dear SPPA family. As I pass the crown, I remember the lessons, love, and laughter will forever be in my heart. Thank you, and may God bless our school community. Long live the SPPA spirit. Farewell, and may the next chapter be brighter. Thank you once again. I'm your 2024 Mrs. SPPA Queen, Eva Freda Damian Mayor. I'm signing off.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, our 2024 Queen, Eva Freda Damian Mayor the First.
Naiiyak si Ma'am Eva. Okay, so thank you so much po. So kanina po nandito